Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Let's all get home safely.
You be careful too, Polly.
Will do.
Luigi's Casa delle Tire, home of the Leaning Tower of Tires.
We're just trying to find the intersection.
Major, let's go! You're on!
Thank you, guys. Ta-da! Time for your birthday present.
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
The McQueen is the first to take advantage. And just like that, folks, Francesco's lead is left in the... I'm in no hurry!
Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
spooglicht kan overal zijn. Wel te rusten!
Missed a spot? See it right there? In the hood, right there.
¡Aquí estás! ¡Gracias al fabricante! ¡Estás vivo!
Back?
That Francesco is wonderful!
And those open wheels.
Ooh, I'm gonna...
Well then, go! Come on!
I hereby dub thee Sir Toe.
Now listen to me. Big oil. It costs a fortune. Pollution is getting worse. I mean, come on, it's a fossil.
Unstoppable.
Well, don't overlook Lightning McQueen.
You, sir, are officially inducted.
Everybody calm down. It's been a long time. Just remember what we rehearsed. Make sure your open please come in signs are out. I think you are.
Look, Doc said when I finished, I could go. That was the deal.
The deal was you...
Hey, retirement? What's going on?
Hi, guys. My name is Gani. Hello, Gani.
Hey, champ! Where'd all your friends go?
How'd you like to become the new face of Donica?
Son chiquis. Hay noticias. El chico Jackson Storm le acaba... is really getting him into the zone.
So getting beat today.
I'm flying. I'm having a talk.
¡Son tubos de escape!
¡Qué grandes!
Taking tires.
Tell me about
Are you sorry you didn't have a crew chief out there?
Oh, Corey. There's a...
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like...
You got in a car?